All right, tonight we're going to take a look at a trade I just took in from one of my good customers. It is a 1969 Ford Thunderbird, 4-door. Extremely original car. It has never been restored, and it is in absolutely beautiful condition. They had it in their collection for a good number of years. This is the one with the hideaway headlights. They work perfectly. This one came equipped with the 429. Big block. Gives this great cruiser wonderful performance. 4-door suicide door car. Correct original wheel covers. White wall radials. I haven't found anything in this car yet that doesn't work. Original vinyl top. This appears to be a no-hit car, never rusted car. I've driven it, it's a great cruiser. This is the one with the sequential taillights. They work perfect. Most of this paint is original on this car. So it's definitely the original sheet metal, all original drivetrain. It's got a little over 70,000 actual miles on the car. We have that documented on the title as well. Just a beautiful, unmolested 69 Ford Thunderbird. Let's take it for a little cruise. Of course, you get not real nice power equipment in the car. Got your power windows right there, and they work. Even the little lights, everything works in the car. It has the tilt-away steering wheel. When you open the door, the steering wheel jumps out of your way. Also, it has tilt, so you can move the steering wheel up or down, whatever comfort that you like. Let's turn our lights on here. There's a beautiful dash, and the lights work. We'll turn it up there a little bit. I haven't figured out what that is yet. Wipers, washers, and a rear vent. Not sure exactly what that's for, but it works. I know the wipers do anyway. Got your standard AM radio right there, and it obviously plays. Air conditioning and heat. And I can tell you the heat does work. That's the fan, and it blows out nice and warm. Got a little something down in the blower there. There's your key there. Let me turn the key on, or the light on here for you. There we go. This is the original interior in the car. It is absolutely beautiful. There's one tiny little imperfection in the driver's seat that I'm going to have taken care of before I deliver this to any of my customers. Somebody's going to love this Thunderbird. I mean, this is a car that you could jump in and drive from East Coast to West Coast and get there. Although it may break the bank and fuel expense, but this car runs and drives beautiful. Let's go for a little ride. This car also comes with its original warranty book and warranty card, and the original sales brochure from Ford. I've driven this car before. It's just smooth as silk. We did just redo the brakes. They work perfect. You wouldn't mind driving this car long distance at high speeds. Just a fun cruiser. And great power. So you got great steering, great suspension, new brakes, and an awesome performing engine, transmission, rear. No funny noises, no knocks, no smoking. A really, really nice suicide door 69 T-Bird. I'm Jeff Whitaker. If you have an interest in a collector car like this, give me a call. You can always reach me at 410-562-9319. There's your 429 right there. Obviously power brakes, power steering, air conditioning, beautifully detailed. Ready to take to the show, take on a long cruise, or just sit in your collection like it's been doing.